Good day, children. Sai Ram. Welcome to today's class. Today we will continue with value education. Do you all remember the story that we did in the last class? What was the story about? The story was about a farmer and his three sons. Yes, do you all remember? We did chapter number 4, the farmer and his sons. Okay, let's have a quick recap of the lesson that we did in the last class. Once there was a farmer. He was very old and he had three sons. He had a large field, and every year he used to yield a good crop. Okay, the field yielded good crops. So one day the farmer fell ill and he was very sick, and he knew that he is going to die soon. Okay, so he wanted to teach his son something very important, the importance of unity. So he called all his three sons and he decided to teach them the importance of unity. So what did he do? He called him to his all his sons to his bedside, and he told them, "Bring three bundles of sticks. Bring three bundles of sticks." Then one of the sons he brought three bundles of sticks. Then the farmer told them, "Remove one stick and break it into two parts." And all the three sons, they removed one stick from the bundle and they broke the stick into two parts. They could do it very easily, yes. But after that, the farmer, he told them that now you break the whole bundle into two parts, means break the whole bundle without opening it, okay, without untying it. And they tried, but they could not break it. Each one tried very hard to break the bundle of sticks, but they could not break it. So, what did his father tell them? What did that father tell them? Sons, if you stay united and work together, you will achieve great results and strength. Nobody will harm you. Yes. So, what did he tell? What did the farmer tell his sons? That you should always be united. You should always work together. If you will work together, you will achieve good results. You will get success in what you do. Okay, and you will get good results. You can do more work, and you can get good results, and your strength will increase. When you work together, you can work so much, you can work much better, and that way in whatever your work you do, that will grow, means that work will progress and you will become strong in your work, whatever work you do, and nobody can harm you. Yes, nobody can harm you. So, this was a very important lesson that the farmer taught his sons. The sons also understood what their father meant. So, what was the moral we learned? United we stand, divided we fall. When we are together, nobody will harm us. But when we fight among each other and don't take care of each other, fight with each other, don't cooperate with each other, the other people may take advantage of you. Okay, so always be united. Our dear Tarama says, be cooperative and love each other. This itself is a great service. Union is strength. Yes, should always be cooperative, should always love each other. That itself is a great service. Yes, yeah, and unity is strength. Always be united. Okay, so now we'll continue with the textual questions. Okay, the question answers of the textbook. How many sons did the old farmer have? How many sons did the old farmer have? Let's see the answer. The old farmer had 3 sons. The old farmer had 3 sons. The old farmer had 3 sons. Question 2. What did the farmer fear about? What did the farmer fear about? Answer. The farmer feared that his death was near. The farmer feared that his death was near. The farmer feared that his death was near. Question 3. What did the farmer decide to teach? What did the farmer decide to teach? Answer. The farmer decided to teach his sons the importance of unity. The farmer decided to teach his sons the importance of unity. The farmer decided to teach his sons the importance of unity. Question 4. What did the farmer ask his sons to bring? Let's see the answer. The farmer asked his sons to bring 3 bundles of sticks. The farmer asked his sons to bring 3 bundles of sticks. Question 5. What did he tell them to do first? What did he tell them to do first? Answer. First, he told them to take 1 stick from each bundle and break it. First, he told them to take 1 stick from each bundle and break it. First, he told them to take 1 stick from each bundle and break it. Question 6. Why were the sons unable to break the bundle of sticks? Why were the sons unable to break the bundle of sticks? Answer. The sons were unable to break the bundle of sticks because it was tied together. The sons were unable to break the bundle of sticks because it was tied together. The sons were unable to break the bundle of sticks because they were tied together. Okay, children, we have finished with the question and answers. Let's do one activity. Okay. Okay. What can you see on your screen? What can you see on the screen? Yes, it's the map of India. Yes, it's the map of India. And what are the colors of our Indian flag? Orange, saffron, white and green. Yes, and we have the Ashoka Chakra in the center with 24 spokes, and it is blue in color, right? Now, India is a country where people of different religions, people following different cultures, they all stay together. Yes, we have got so many people living together with following different religions, following different cultures, and they all live together in the country. We have Hindu, we have Muslim, we have Sikh, we have Christian, and we all live together. Whether you are a Hindu, whether you are a Muslim, whether you are a Sikh, or whether you are a Christian, but we all are Indians. Yes, we all are Indians. And whether you are a Hindu, whether you are a Muslim, whether you are a Sikh, whether you are a Christian, we all live together, isn't it? We all live together and we all stand united. Yes, so the moral says, united we stand, divided we fall, isn't it? So we all have to stay together. We don't have to fight with each other. We have to cooperate with each other. We have to learn, love each other. We have to help each other and help in the progress of our country. Yes, if we keep fighting amongst each other countries may take advantage of it, isn't it? So this moral says, as the moral says, united we stand, divided we fall. Yes, if you will stay together, nobody can harm you. And if you will keep fighting with each other, others may take advantage of it, isn't it? So whether you are a Hindu, whether you are a Muslim, whether you are a Sikh, you are a Christian, we all are Indians, yes, and we have to be united. We have to stand together and not to fight with each other. We have to be united, cooperate with each other, help each other, love each other, isn't it? We all should love our country. We should all love our motherland. We should all work hard for the progress of our country. Yes, we should love our country. We all should stand united in whatever the situation may be. You know, our if you are facing any problem, if you are united, you help each other, the problem can be solved, isn't it? So you all should stay together and work for the progress of our country, love each other and be united. Okay, I am going to give you a homework. Okay, children, you have to do this activity in your rough book. Choose the correct answer. Okay, this is your homework. Okay, we can protect our country's land. We can protect our country's land. To complete the sentence, now there are three options given to you. Okay, by fighting against enemy, by making fences and walls, by saving our environment. So think which will be the correct option to complete the sentence. We can protect our country's land by fighting against enemy, by making fences and walls, by saving our environment. Tick the correct answer. Okay, children? Now, second one, we can protect our country from enemies by having big armies, by remaining united and honest, by working hard for its progress. Again, I'll repeat. We can protect our country from enemies. You have to complete the sentence. And the options are by having big armies, by remaining unified and honest, by working hard for its progress. Okay, so think of the correct answer and complete the sentence. Okay, children. So what we have learned today, you have to follow that. Yes, be united, cooperate with each other, love each other, help each other. Okay, children, we'll begin with a new lesson in the next class. Till then, goodbye. Thank you. Sai Ram.